Okay, hi guys, magandang gabi. My topic for today is about ports here. Mga samples. And the sockets here. Okay, so let's start sa ports. Okay. So ports, sinayin ko na itong USB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 ports for USB. Yung middle nito na nasa taas and then itong nasa baba ay black ang color while this one is blue. That is because magkaiba sila ng version. Ito is 3.0 and this 4 are 2.0 yung version. Okay. And minsan, hinahanap namin itong blue kasi nga mas mabilis siya sa pag-copy and pag-transfer ng files. Dito kasi sinasaksak sa USB na to yung keyboard and mouse. Okay? Same here dito sa ano na to. This is called PS2. Mouse and keyboard dito rin sinasaksak. Apparently, this is an old version. So, kung meron pang mga old version din ng keyboard and mouse, they still have the choice to use since meron pa siyang port. Now, VGA here and then here. And this one is HDMI, both for videos. Okay, so mas maganda ko sana kung HDMI kasi mas malinaw itong VGA sa video graphics, no, array. Comparing kasi itong dalawa, mas malinaw itong HDMI sa mga videos. Yun nga lang, ang available namin na cable is for this VGA. Next is the RJ45. RJ45 sa network connection naman. Dito namin sinasaksak yung cable para magkaroon ng internet connection. Yan, dyan siya. Next is the video ports. The first is the pink one here. This for the microphone. The green, okay, this for the headphones and speaker. And then the blue one is for the external devices. Okay? So, may nakalimutan ba? Wala. Pag nilagay na siya sa computer, here, sa unit, makikita na siya sa likod. I have here, ayan. So, ito kayo hindi kasali. Nandito siya. Nandiyan na, oh, yung mga ports na na-mention ko kanina. Kaya lang, ito kasi is, ASUS motherboard. While ito, yung pinakita ko kanina lang, is MSI. So, medyo magkaiba sila. Pero since may idea ka na, kung ano yung mga nasabi ko kanina, madali mo na ma-identify. Kasi konti lang naman yung difference. Itong lang, itong DVI and the rest are pare-pareho na. Okay. DVI is for video rin yan. For VGA and HDMI. Okay? Next is the sockets. Here. Sockets. This one and this one nga. Dito yung CMOS. Maraming function to ha. Pero ang natatandaan dito is yung date and time. Dito kasi na-i-store yun. So, gusto ko lang ipakita yung socket, no? Ito yung example ng battery. CMOS battery. Okay, so ilalagay lang siya dyan. Sa socket nga. And then, that's the first example of the socket. And the second one is the CPU socket. Central Processing Unit. Yung socket. Okay, so yung central processing na mention ko before, it's just a small square made of, I think, parang meron copper and aluminum din. So, very sensitive din yun. And these mga pins, so very careful lang. Pero ang point ko lang here is to just show an example of sockets. At dito nga, yun sa CPU. So, yun lang. Ulitin ko lang ha, yung mga ports are here. Yan. Nasa likod yan ng PC pag nilagay na. And the socket naman, na binigay ko ang example, are nasa motherboard. sa loob. Makikita. So, yun lang. Thank you. That's it. Bye-bye.